Hi guys, I just finished potting some of my succulents because I couldn't just wait and I got so excited. So I'm gonna start with the first one that I did is this one, Sempervivum Tracy Sue, and I just kind of decorated some of them with the shells that I have laying around the house, and here she is. This is Tracy Sue. And then I'm gonna show you the other one. The next one that's next to it is this one. This is Sempervivum calcareum, and this is what she look like with her shells around it. And then I'm gonna have to move on with the this third one. I have this Monrose, I believe. No, it's not. I don't know what this is, but that's kind of, it's like an moose rose. I don't know, but this is what she is. What she look like. It has a very deep maroon color, very nice. And then the next one I have is this Cabanisi, the cobweb looking ones, so pretty. Next is I have this guy, Aloni. I don't know. So this is what she look like. The rosette is kind of like close up looking, so pretty. I like it though. I love it. Going up, closing up. I remember and a Haworthia that looked like this closing. Now move on to the next one is this guy. Oh, the cranes are so loud. Okay, this is Jade Rose. So pretty color. Look at that. Beautiful. This is the biggest rosette among all of them. This and this one are the big rosettes that I have. So that's Jade Rose, a pretty one. And the next one is, I believe it's this guy here, taller hide. I don't know what this is. And this is what this one look like. Very cute. And then I'm gonna move on to this guy here, Spring Beauty. I like this one. This kinda reminds me with the other one of the Echeverrias that look like this. And this also look kinda like this guy here. See that? Alright, now let's go to, oh, I missed out on this one, the Bronco. This is the Sempervivum Bronco. So beautiful. Close up, you can see clearly. See the variation of the color on it? So cute, huh? So cute. Turn it around. So this is Bronco. And then the last one is this guy here. This one is the last one, the Blue Boy. My son likes this one, Sempervivum Blue Boy. Very cute. Look at the sides of this here. So beautiful with the red tips on it. Look at the colors, so pretty. Alright, well, that's it for now, guys, for the Sempervivum that I just repotted. And I'm gonna have to think of other ways on how I'm gonna do the other ones. Alright guys, until the next video, bye bye.